Hi, this is Roy with Cloth Diapers United, and today is day 5 of the Cloth Collective Initiative, and today's prompt is, what is your favorite absorbency? So, to me, I feel this applies to two separate things as far as favorite material or fiber and what that material or fiber is formed into. So, as far as the material or fiber, I really like hemp bamboo mixes. Hemp is the most absorbent material in cloth diapering that I know of, and bamboo is the softest, fluffiest. And I feel they actually go super great together because hemp is known to be kind of rough. When you mix the two together, you get a super absorbent and not super rough material. And typically, no matter what that is formed into, as far as flats, pre-folds, or an actual insert, I will prefer the hemp bamboo ones to other materials. As far as an actual thing that the hemp bamboo is formed into, I prefer flats because they're very easy to turn into basically anything you want them to be. If you want to use just inserts, well then you pad fold the flat and you have an insert. If you feel like basically using a fitted cloth diaper, well you can fold them suckers up and you have a fitted cloth diaper. If you feel like pre-folds, you can fold them in half and in half again and then just do any fold you would do with a pre-fold from there. That they can be manipulated into anything you want them to be. However, when I am hand washing, that is where the hemp bamboo gets a little less than awesome. Because the great part about hemp is it absorbs a lot and it keeps it. It isn't very prone to compression leaks. The downside of that is it takes a really long time to dry, and it is harder to hand wash, and it is harder to wring out. So I'm kind of torn as to whether or not it's worth the trouble, because I would have to, let me see about this. It would take about 3 receiving blankets to do the same job as one hemp bamboo flat. So I would have to wash 3 items that are easier to wash versus wash 1 item that is harder to wash, but not by a ton, it just is. So that's where I'm kind of torn. If this was a very long-term thing, I would probably still go with the hemp bamboo because I don't have to wash as many things. But then another downside to hemp bamboo is it is more expensive than just plain cotton stuff. So all of the hemp bamboo flats that I have are a hemp bamboo fleece that I bought from Nature's Fabrics and just got 4 yards. I think it was 4 yards. And I cut it myself. And another point to touch on is these flats, these hemp bamboo flats that I really like, are a hemp bamboo stretch fleece. So they also have a little bit of spandex. I think it's like 5% spandex in them. And fleece is just denser. Therefore, it is also super good at absorbing. So that is it for this video. See you tomorrow.